1, 2, 3, there we go. And I'm going to do a couple adjustments here. So welcome back. So quickly, just kind of summarize why you came in, kind of what was the progress, and what are we working on with you today?
On my numbness from like my legs, hands, and just my lower back is hurting.
Lower back, okay.
Yeah.
So far, what's the progress?
The numbness on my legs have been getting better.
Okay. And we still have a little bit in the hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice and easy. All right. You ready to kind of get going? Let's get you adjusted.
Yes.
Take a deep breath in. Go all the way out and exhale. And I'm going to do a couple adjustments here. There's 1, 2, and the last one here. Good. Okay. We'll come back to this one. We'll give you a big bear hug. It doesn't want to move the easy way.
Okay. Oh, the sunshine.
Sunshine, yeah. Good. One more. I'm going to roll you towards me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. So go on your back. 1, 2, 3. There we go. The idea is to open up the knee, the hip, and the low back, all in one kind of go. 1, 2, 3, there we go. I think we got your ankles on both sides.
Yes.
Alright, on your back, right? We'll come back to that one spot that didn't want to move it the easy way.
Okay.
Alright, we need a big bear hug here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. One more, maybe. There we go.